Okay, so in this video, we're going to go ahead and make this Lego brick. This one will be in millimeters. So let's get started. Make sure that when you go to Documents and Settings and then go to millimeters, make sure that it's in millimeter. And this one will be working on the XZ plane. So if I click on Create Sketch, click on the XZ plane, I'm going to start off by doing a center rectangle. And my width is going to be 31.8, and my height, or my length, is going to be 15.8. So I have a rectangle. I'm going to click Finish Sketch, and I'm going to extrude. The thickness is going to be 9.6. There's our brick. Next step, we're going to cut a hole in the bottom. We're going to use a brand new tool called the Shell command. Click on Shell. And we're going to go to the bottom of my Lego brick. Click on that. In this part, we're going to be asking us how thick it's going to be. So we're going to do 1.2 millimeters. Enter. And there we are. Okay, so now I'm going to work on the top. So I'm going to click on Create Sketch, click on this top plane, and I'm going to put those cylinders that go on top. So I'll start with one. Let's draw a circle. This one's going to be 4.8 millimeters, and we're going to dimension it 3.9, 3.9. I also want to make sure that I know the distance between these two. So let me go back to this, and I could do inspect. Looks like it's 8 millimeters. And I can do inspect here. That one's also 8 millimeters. Okay, so this one's a new tool as well. It's going to be the rectangular pattern. So we're going to go to Create Rectangular Pattern. I'm going to click my circle. That's my object. That's right here. And I'm going to pull these down. So across I'm going to do 4, and down I'm going to do 2. My spacing, notice it's a negative, so I'm going to put -8. And this one I'm going to put -8. Actually, no, it's not -8, +8. There we go. So now I have my 8 circles. Click Finish Sketch, extrude. I'm going to click on each one of these. I'm going to extrude up 1.8. Make sure it says join. Okay, so I got the top done. Now I'm going to work on the bottom. So you rotate using the view cube. Click on Create Sketch. Click on this bottom part. I'm going to do those 3 circles on the bottom. So let me just check to see what the dimension is 0.85. Okay, so I'm going to do the circle command, click, the inner diameter is 4.8. What was that dimension? I already forgot. 8.5. So then we'll do something called an offset. So go to modify, you can go to offset, you can click on this, 0.85, done. And then I'm going to dimension where this goes. There we go. And this one's going to be 7.9. And make sure it's in the middle. 7.9. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing we did before. This one's going to be a rectangular pattern. And I'm going to click on both of these circles. And I'm going to want 3, and I'm going to have them at 8. So 3 quantity, make sure the spacing, it's on spacing. And then 8 millimeters. Click Finish Sketch, extrude, and then click the inside of these circles. And I want to extrude all the way down to this face. So for distance, I'm going to select To Object, and I'm going to select this face right here. That way, it stops right at this edge. Make sure it's on Join, click OK, and you're done. Go to Save. We're going to save this as Lego brick. And of course, go to File, Share File Link. Click on this and paste your link. This one only had 3 sketches. And of course, make sure that you have one body, which is this whole part. And you're done.